hello. Oh, his eyes don't open at all.
No,
Oh, why?
Took him out and so.
they were
They were bad.
they were infected.
Oh, you poor little boy.
I suppose it
He's
stops flies and
gorgeous.
things like that, though, doesn't it? When you think of
He's
it, you know.
gorgeous.
He'll be fine.
Look at
Hello,
you.
my little
Hey.
sweetheart.
Huh? Oh,
See if I-
blind.
You don't need me anymore.
I know, he's lucky.
Sad, isn't it?
Come on then, Lucy.
The back one's outside.
Flynn.
See how
Peaches.
they go back on themselves, you know. It's you again. It's you again. It's you again.
Oh.
You're safe now.
Teddy.
You're safe now.
Hello, Peaches.
Yes, you are.
Oh, look.
No, he doesn't. He's not up for it. He's too scared. He's too... He's like, no, no, help me. She tried to play with me and
Oh, they
everything.
all like you, don't they?
You better.
They've spent the last 3 days,
Yes.
haven't they?
Oh.
Well, Teddy slept with us,
Oh.
on me, round me.
What's the step? What's
No.
the step? Oh, he needs
Oh.
a guide dog.
Finn.
Well, I
Hello.
live on a farm. so he's-
Hello, little Finny. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Little Finn, he's eating the grass.
Look at them feet.
I know he's going to be big.
I liked you, by the way.
So,
Mm.
they have a look at those
Yes, I
joints
did.
with his weight when he gets older. Before he gets older.
Mm.
I'm videoing.
Oh.
Who's missing? Gus.
This is hiding.
There's
Yeah.
Gus.
He's hiding.
What's the matter, Gus? He said that Peaches is finding her feet a bit too fast.
She'll soon be put down when she gets to my age. Bob, Bob.
He's seen this result for playing. I'm pleased with him though.
Come on. Come on. Come on then. Teddy.
Oh. Playtime, that's it. You like